Okay, welcome along to another 20p arcade challenge. Several days late, so it's not gonna count. But I want to do it anyway, because I picked this game, and yeah. I want to give you some facts on the game and my 2 credits worth. This is the hack of Operation Wolf, the bootleg Operation Bear, which is, I think, was the Korean version of the game, if I believe right. Several differences: less baddies, easier, missing bonus levels, etc. But it's a lot easier to play on the arcade, so that's why I opted for this version. Andrew actually won the challenge with 400 and something odd. Can't remember exactly how much, but I'll see if I come anywhere near that. So some facts about the game. 1987 was when this came out. There was a couple of sequels: Operation Thunderbolt in '88, Operation Wolf 3 in '94, which I played and was very disappointed in, and Operation Tiger, which I've never played. This was released on several systems, most not using the light gun feature, but apparently the Spectrum had a light gun, the NES and the Master System. I would say probably a bit biased, but I think the Master System version was the best. Certainly the one I had, and the light gun was brilliant. It was also on a couple of other 8-bit systems and some 16-bit systems like Atari ST and Amiga. Yeah, so shoot people, don't shoot. Hostages, etc., etc. 6 levels, game loops if you complete it. Grenades and guns, and don't run out of ammo. Apparently on the NES version there was 6 different endings, kind of, depending on how many hostages you bring back. So the president was either angry, unhappy, disappointed, satisfied, happy, or very happy if you got all the hostages back. This was reviewed really well. It got like 90% across the board. It's got several awards: Golden Joystick Award, Crash Smash Hits, Over the Top Game of '98, Sinclair User, Best Coin-Up Conversion 8-bit, Best Coin-Up Conversion 16-bit. I also think this is one of the first games I ever played as well, in the arcades. The Spectrum sales charts, second only to RoboCop, which was #1 every month of that particular year. And voted 26th on Your Sinclair Reader's Top 100 Games of All Time. In Japan, it was listed as the second most successful upright arcade of the year. And Coin Slot Said it was number 4 behind Street Fighter, Continental Circus and WECLE Le Mans. Not sure what that is. It's probably the American thing. Anyway, let's get on to it, because this is already quite long and will be in several parts unless I do particularly badly. So let's get on with it. Put the 2 credits in. If I don't do well, then on the first credit it doesn't matter so much, because it gets really hard once you complete it on the second credit, from what I've played anyway. So let's get on. Don't shoot the nurses. Do shoot the grenades, not like I did there and missed. If you're quick enough for the helicopters, you can shoot them without needing a grenade. Ideally, you want to keep your grenades for the second level, if you can. Or at least most of them. Apparently the parachute guys do a lot of damage, so take them out first. Yeah, 1 down, 1 to go.
You succeeded in demolishing the communication setup, cutting off the enemy from rescue.
Didn't do too badly there. Onto the jungle level. Gotta shoot the coconut. Gives you a different thing every time. Impressive how random the enemy placements are. This is well I'm a lousy shot, because I would have hit them. Don't want to be doing that. Rambo wanna be there. Because of course a chicken has a bomb in it. Grenade. I mean, what chickens don't have grenades up their bum? You can shoot these bits of grass as well if you want, but pointless. Literally pointless, gives you no points. Waste the bullets as well. Shoot the pigs, sometimes they give you ammo, sometimes they don't. There we go, second level cleared.
The location of the concentration